Hey y'all, Logan from Messy Hair. Just wanted to do another unboxing. Got a pretty big order today. A lot of new stuff dropped into the store. I'm trying to put out pretty much a piece a day, so check us out often, see what's new. In this case, I've got some hoodies that just arrived, so getting ready for the fall, even though it doesn't get that cold down here. So really nice, thick material, great looking print. Really happy with these Comfort Color hoodies. So you cross the line design. And this is a pepper color. This is the ivory color. This is blue jean. This is ain't going far. Love that. Inspired by a 55 Chevy pickup. This is Mr. Too Big for His Britches. There might be a little bit of me in this guy here. Love it. And this is gray. Some of y'all might wonder why I have gray and pepper because they are pretty close, but yeah, I just don't like black. I just don't like, I mean, I love black, but I just don't like black for my prints. I've tested it a bunch of times, and when you're doing comfort colors, they're pre-dyed and they're pre-washed and pre-shrunk and everything like that. And the ink just, I'm just not impressed with how it comes out on black. So if you're ever wondering why I don't have black shirts out there, that's why. I've tested a bunch, and if I'm not happy with it, I'm not going to put it on the store. I'm not going to, put a for my Southern Fringers. I don't know if you've seen this, but I've got a 90-day return policy, which pretty much is best in industry. I don't see any of my competitors doing that. And it's because I want to be able to stand behind my product. I want you guys to be able to trust that what you're buying is, going to be good for, the next 3 months. I don't know what kind of, shenanigans you're going to put my stuff through, but honestly, I mean, I just want you to buy good quality stuff. It's the stuff I wear every single day. In fact, this is a new design, well, relatively new. So help me, I'll turn this porch around. Just a funny expression that I thought was completely random, paying homage to dad turning around in the car and being like yelling at the kids and yeah, so I'll turn this porch around. It's just like, I don't know. I'm sitting there on the porch. I'm going to turn something around if y'all don't behave. So I just thought that was really fun. And I'm not going to do this color a lot. So this is almost like you could call it a special edition. But yeah, I wanted to sample it, wanted to get a feel for, just how pink, just how purple it is. And it's just like a neon purple kind of color. Actually feel like it fits the vibe of this party in the back design really well. So, because you already had neon greens and some pretty bright blues on there. So, if you want that one, you like that one, you can find that out there. And then I also, for the fall, wanted to bring some, um, a nice scarecrow design. And so you've got Born Rabbit, Ain't Scared on the front, and then Ain't Whispering, Ain't Here to Whisper on the back. This is more of like something that, the Southern folks in my life are pretty loud. In fact, people are often telling me to shush. So, I'm not here to whisper. And that's also about finding your voice and, having a strong, pride and whatnot about, and, being proud and, standing behind what you say. So there's definitely a metaphor there. And then I'm fixing to, just a great Southern expression, great father and dad expression too. Like my wife's getting on me, and I'm fixing to, I'm fixing to do it. This is just in the espresso color. And then the last one here for the day. This is butter. So a little bit richer and definitely pulling in more yellow on this design than the ivory does. And I don't do white, and similar to black, I'm just not impressed with white designs. I'm just not impressed with the way the ink pops on the Comfort Colors white shirts. I don't think white holds up. I don't think black holds up that well. And again, kind of going back to that 90-day return policy, I just I want something that's going to hold up, and go through, 5, 6, 7 washes before you see any degradation of print quality. So that's why I'm not doing whites either, and instead I've opted for this ivory color. And all my comfort color shirts, have that broken in feel. They have that broken in look. It's a shirt you can throw on brand new out of the box, but it feels like you've had it for 10 years and it's, your favorite go-to shirt. So, I want to put designs out there that y'all throw into the rotation, and it feels like I've got to wear this thing as soon as it comes out of the dryer. So, thanks for stopping by. Pick up, some hoodies and some long sleeve shirts for the fall, and hopefully like some of the new stuff I'm dropping out there. Oh, and sorry, one more thing. I'm gonna put more of these out there, but these are the can koozies. Really like these, for keeping your cans cold out, especially when you're throwing cornhole or beer pong out here outside. So look for more of these. I've already got 2 designs out there. Wanted to test them before I threw a bunch out there. So cheers.